Today I'm going to be reviewing Dow Neota's Airwax Removal Irrigation System. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open this up and see what we got. Inside, you're going to get this device. This is where you put the water in. This just comes off. Now, I put water in here. I did this upstairs, not in my studio, and irrigated. Now, 95 to 103 degree Fahrenheit is what you want. If it's too cold, it can make you dizzy. Now, it says you can use sink water. I would suggest you either use distilled water or you boil your water for 1 minute before using it. I don't care what anyone says. Anytime you put water from your sink into your orifices, whether it's your nose or whatever, there are risks to that. Using distilled water takes that out. I would rinse this out first. Now you're gonna get 6 nozzles. It sprays out. It's a little weird. I must say it's a little weird. It sprays out like these 3 jets of water. And then you've got this little cup. So it would look like this. You put this in your ear and then this underneath. And as the water's going in, it's going to be draining out a lot. It's a weird feeling. Now I use the gentle or the low. There's also mid, high, and then flush. You can just use this down here to adjust it. It charges on the back. You also are going to get a suction cup if you have any residual water left in there. Now you don't want to do this too much, 2 to 3 times a week. Doing it too much could irritate your eardrum, and you want to be very careful. This is also a waterproof design, so it can drain a lot of water and spray water. So when you're doing it, you can do this in the shower, and I would suggest that. But if not, you're gonna have to use this little cup here to catch all the drainage. This does get 5 stars, but it only has 6 reviews. I like to see more reviews until I know what that means, but I didn't see anything bad about this. Just be careful when using this not to use too much pressure, especially if this is your first time. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.